Hi guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and I just got my Megan Racing downpipes for my Q50 right over there. So these things were 170 bucks shipped, which are about less than half the price of some of the other downpipes available. Now these are only lower downpipes, so let's see what these things look like. Pretty nice stainless steel. The wells look pretty nice. There's a bong over here for your O2 sensor. Not bad. Can't beat it for the money, you know. I mean, the only thing that's probably gonna break are these wells, but the pipe itself is nice, you know. Let's see what else came in the box. We got some gaskets, some hardware. Everything fine. There's some stickers. The bolts. Some gaskets. And alright, man. That's it. We're gonna see if we could install these things. Alright, so these are the gaskets that came with the Megan downpipes. There's 4 of them. We're gonna spray them with some of this Permatex copper spray. So I already did the other side. Alright, that's it. Let that stuff dry, and we get on to taking this thing apart. Okay, so I'm underneath the car. This is the downpipe right here. This is one catalytic. This, you need to remove this, which is attached to a bracket. And hold on. And this you need to remove. So remove that. That's the O2 sensor plug. And then you're gonna have to remove this one and this other one over here. And then the hard ones are going to be the ones on top. So, I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to get my phone in here so you can see. This one stud, or whatever. I think you have to get this from the top. And there should be one on the other side. Okay, so I unplugged this. You gotta press on this side and pull out at the same time. So you need 2 hands for that. And now I got a 14 millimeter wrench on this to take out the bracket. So we're not going to take this all the way out, but now we're going to move to the back. And these look pretty freaking nasty, but it should come off. I'm gonna need 2 hands to break this loose. So, okay, guys, we got the 2 nuts off the back. They weren't too bad. Now we're gonna move to the front. All right, we're gonna get the top bolt. It's all the way back here, you can barely see it. I don't know if you can see it down there. But we got a couple 14 millimeter with a few extensions. Try to put this on it. We get back to this. Alright, I already broke this loose. Alright, the top bolt is out. Let's go back down the bottom. Alright guys, we're back under the car. Everything's off, all the bolts. This is all loose. Just gotta separate it. On there. Put this stuff with that. Kind of hung up here. All right. Is out. Okay. So this is what the catalytic converter looks like. And we gotta take the O2 sensor and put it on this. Alright. So that's it. That's what it looks like. So let's do that and put it back in. Okay, so I put this thing on a vise. You need to get one of these special sockets that may specifically take this O2 sensors off. Just put a breaker bar to it. And then slowly, I'm going to have to put this down because I need two hands. Alright, O2 sensor broke loose. This is what it looks like. So we're just going to go and put it right on here. That's it. We're tying that up and we're ready to put it back in. Okay, so you got the bolt on top. Over here, just the O2 sensor has to be back plugged in. And back here, you just got to put the gasket, you know, still loose. Put the gasket in the bolts. Okay, driver's side is all done. O2 sensor plugged in. Back here is all bolted up. That's it. Now the stock one had this bracket that was holding the pipes. So I don't know. I might want to do something to support this, but for now it looks good. Let's go to the harder side, which is the passenger side. So same procedure. Take these off. Take this bracket nut off, and then somehow get in there. All right. So the back ones are loose. What else we got here? This one is off. It's a bracket, and now we got to get up here to unplug the O2 sensor. So we got to reach up there somehow and get that off. Then you have one nut. I don't know if you can see it right there. That one you could take off from here, and then the other two go from on top. All right. Now we're going from the top to break loose the one bolt. This side is a lot harder than the other side because you can't get to anything. I still haven't disconnected the O2 sensor. This car is all-wheel drive, so the shaft is in the way. So I'm hoping I'll get to it somehow. But that's it. We have to get to the other side somehow. And I'm doing this by myself. If you had a friend, it'd be a little easier. Alright guys, so this is the passenger side. Downpipe. Same procedure. You're gonna switch this O2 sensor over to this. And it was a bitch getting to this plug. I had to stick my hand in there, arm in there, and like, yeah, scratch myself all up and stuff trying to get to it. But I managed to do it blindly with one hand, and it should be easier to plug it back in since this is a lot smaller than this big whole thing. So that's it. Let's switch the O2 sensors and put this back up. The pipes are in both sides. I turn the car around, check for leaks. Don't feel anything. The other side. Yeah, that's where it might be leaking a little bit. Some water coming out of that one, so I gotta tighten that up a little bit. Seems alright up there. Alright, so the pipes are all in. Check for leaks. No leaks. Just gotta clean up this mess, take it up the ramps, take it for a ride. Sound wise, doesn't sound that much different than stock. So I'm just gonna take it for a ride, see what it does. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and see you again next time. Bye.